Hi there folks, and welcome to the Word Solutions for the Daily Rigger issue number 167. Okay, so the A-level grade boundaries were leaked online before these kids got the results for their exam. So the leaked document showed that it was actually 55% to get an A with one exam board. So the exam was out of 300 marks. What is the lowest possible mark out of 300 that a candidate could have scored, which would have resulted in an A grade? So you can actually do it by trial and error on your calculator until you get the right amount. But here's quite a cool wee way of working out. I wonder what method you chose. So 55% can be written as a fraction. It means 55 over 100. And we can of course simplify the fraction as well. We can divide top and bottom by 5 here. So 55 divided by 5 is 11, and 100 divided by 5 is 20. But of course what we'd really want is an equivalent fraction that's out of 300. So you could have done it either way here. You could multiply top and bottom here by 15, or the easiest way to do it would be to multiply top and bottom by 3 here. But anyway, let's do it this way. So if we times the bottom by 15, that's going to give us 300, which is what we want. But notice we could have times this one by 3. And then if we times the top by 15, that's going to come to 165. And of course 55 times 3 is also 165. Anyway, 165 out of 300 is 55%. Therefore the answer to the question is 165 marks. Wee bit low, I think, you know. But anyway, entertainment story now. The latest dragon, Sarah Davis, and she to instill a strong work ethic in a 5-year-old son. She makes him work in the company shop to earn £2 a day. So how much did he earn working during May, June and July? So we're talking about daily wages here. So May's got 31 days, June 30 and July 31. So altogether that's 92 days at £2 per day. So we multiply that by 2 to get £184. So but £2 a day is in line with the minimum wage for a 5-year-old, I think. Anyway, I quite like this story. So we've got Zagros here is defended his title of European fastest pizza maker. So he can make a fresh pizza adhering to quite strict standards as well in just 27 seconds. So if he kept working at the same rate, how many full pizzas could he make per hour? So we're talking about seconds, so how many seconds are there in an hour? Well, 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour. 60 times 60 is 3,600 seconds, and 27 goes into 3,600. 133.33333 times. So that's the number of pizzas he could make in an hour. But to answer the question, how many full pizzas could he make? Well, this means 133 in a bit. So we've got to round down for the context of the question. 133 full pizzas. Even if it was 0.99999, it would still be 133. But anyway, we've now got a pizza numeracy question, so did you answer it in 27 seconds or under? Let's find out. So he eats half a pizza and a third of a pizza. What fraction of a whole pizza did Zagros eat? Well, obviously a half plus a third. We're going to change the denominators into the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3, which is 6. So half a pizza is 3/6. 1/3 of a pizza is 2/6. And because they've got the same denominators, we just have to add the numerators to get a final answer of 5/6 of a pizza. So almost a whole one, just one slice short. So on to our science story finally. So we've got the world's oldest shark. So sharks grow approximately by 1 centimetre a year. This shark was a staggering 18 feet. So how old is the shark estimated to be? Well, if it's 1 centimetre each year, then the number of centimetres in length it is would be an estimate for its age. So 18 feet is 30.48 centimetres. So we do 30.48 multiplied by 18 to get a length of 548.64. Because in terms of rounding to the nearest year, the 6 means it's closer to 549 years old. Staggering. So in order to get its estimated year of birth, we just take 549 away from the current year 2019 to get a year of birth of 1470. Wow, and now the interesting class discussion. What significant events have happened in the world? whilst this shark has swum in the ocean the whole time. I mean, it would have been there comfortably when the Titanic sunk. It would have been there during so many more things on top of that. But anyway, folks, I'll leave you to discuss that in class just now. Well done for trying this week's questions, and I'll see you next week for more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.